In this video, I'm going to share with you some best practices for SMS marketing that will help you better serve your audience and get the most out of the SMS native integration with Manychat. Hello there, chat marketers. My name is Kelly Noble Mirabella, and I am thrilled to share with you some of the best practices today. If you missed our how-to video on how to set up SMS text marketing inside the Manychat platform, be sure to check the links in the description or click the card above. SMS messaging is one of the most powerful communication tools that chat marketers can take advantage of today. According to KPMG's Customer Insight Report, nearly a third of millennials check their phones every 5 minutes without getting a notification. That's kind of crazy. People spend more time texting than doing anything else on their phones. To do so, there's no app to download, no new interface to learn, which helps explain why 97% of all smartphone users text their contacts at least once per week. Now, it is expected that 48.7 million people will opt into company communications via text by 2020. So now that you understand a bit about the awesome power of SMS marketing, let's jump into some of the best practices. Don't upload a list of phone numbers or contacts manually and start sending stuff off. You need to get permission from them first. People forget when they opted in to list all the time. So make sure you keep a record of people who opted in and their opt-in agreements. Next up, let's talk about setting expectations. With SMS marketing, you need to be very clear about what a subscriber is getting, when they are getting it, and you have to follow through. Are they getting promotions or news? What is it you're going to be texting them about? Text messaging is very personal to users, so you have to set expectations to see better engagement for your campaigns. Next up, let's talk about considering the context. When designing SMS marketing campaigns, resist the urge to send random messages to your subscribers. While you might think an open is, great, unsolicited messages are not necessarily the best performers. Contextually relevant texts are much more likely to get a click-through, which can mean higher conversion rates. For example, if you have promoted events on Friday night, send a text message Friday afternoon. If you want to run a bar special, send your messages at 3 or 4 on a workday. That's PM, not 8 a.m. on that same day. You got to keep it simple. You'll avoid getting pinged as spam, and you'll see way better results. Timing is everything. Next up, keep it short. One of the biggest best practices that I could share with you for text messaging is be shorter than short. People don't want back-to-back messages in their text, which means you need to be straight to the point. You can then take people from text to Messenger, where you have more flexibility with how much copy and content that you need and you can include. The next best practice is to drive people to other communication channels, like Messenger. One of the greatest things about Manychat integrating SMS right into the platform is they make it really easy to seamlessly take users from an SMS text message right into Messenger. When in Messenger, it's much easier to communicate back and forth with end users or simply drive them to your flows for clear call to actions and campaigns. When using SMS as the starting point for your Messenger marketing campaigns, you also get the added benefit of bypassing any of Facebook's restrictions on broadcast. So, if you tend to send a lot of broadcast out but are restricted by the latest changes to Facebook's broadcast rules and terms of service with tags and such, SMS is the perfect solution for you. The next best practice is to make sure that you offer an easy opt-out. Subscribers need to know that they can opt out from your text at any time. So whenever possible, add text stop to cancel at the end of your response. When someone opts into your list, you must include this. And then also, occasional text throughout your text sequences should also include an opt-out option and instruction. Some people may not want to receive your messages anymore, and you just need to give them an easy way to leave. Bye. It's important to let subscribers know that when they opt out from text, they are not opting out of your messenger list too. People will forget or don't know that they have to do both if they want to stop getting messages from you completely. Now, these are just some of the best practices that you should be employing in your SMS marketing. For further information about best practices, check out the link I've placed in the description that takes you to a full article that we have made available over on the Manychat blog. Now I want to know from you, what do you want us to train on next? Let us know in the comments below what feature or topic you are most interested in. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up with all the latest tutorials and trainings that we have to offer here at Manychat. Thank you so much for watching, and now get out there and start building.